Today, I'll show you the Harmony Courtyard Square 6 embroidery tutorial. Following the diagram, bring the needle up at point 1. Take the needle down at point 2. Bring the needle up at point 3. Take the needle down at point 4. Bring the needle up at point 5. Take the needle down at point 6. Bring the needle up at point 7. Take the needle down at point 8. Bring the needle up at point 9. Take the needle down at point 10. The square 6 stitch is complete. I make hopes you enjoy stitching this wonderful design as much as we do.